If you know the story of a place, you're definitely going to like it more. And the story of Babka is truly inspiring, at least to us. So, Babka originally is the name of a Jewish bread, and this place serves some of the best chocolate babka and other desserts. This place is like Christmas. The desserts here, the coffee, the decor, it reminds you that holiday season is always around the corner. The Babka Cafe is located in Anjuna and it's a very popular place amongst locals and tourists. And rightfully so. The way this place is done up, it's like a cozy cafe with the perfect ambience, the perfect lighting. It's that kind of place where you can take a book, sit down on your table, order a coffee, order some desserts. And since we're on the subject of books, let me tell you the story of Babka. So Babka Goa was founded in December 2019 by Anant and Karishma, a self-taught baker couple. They came on a vacation in 2017 and fell in love with Goa and its people. That's when they decided to spend the rest of their lives in Goa. They both wanted to opt for a slow lifestyle because for them, rushing never made sense, be it life or baking. They both decided to work towards the life-changing goal, and after a couple of years, sold their bakery in Delhi and shifted to Goa. It wasn't easy and didn't happen overnight. It was the culmination of months of hard work and years of dreams. And just like every moving to Goa story, this one inspires us too.